This is the front overview of the fire scene. The garage is heavily damaged, showing full involvement. On the ground to the right of the garage entrance are melted remnants of city-issued garbage cans. These cans are made of high-density polyethylene, which begins to melt between 250 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take note of their condition. Then check other garbage cans in the surrounding area. This will help establish if this was the area of origin or just an involved exposure. It's also worth contacting City Waste Management to find out when garbage pickup was scheduled for this location. That could help determine when the can was last filled and possibly tie into the fire's ignition window. A full city garbage can, depending on contents, can emit between 10 and 25,000 BTUs per pound. That amount of heat release, especially in a confined area, can lead to rapid fire spread or even flashover. Now, looking at the vehicle inside the garage, observe the burn patterns. The V patterns on the hood and front windshield suggest heat originated low in the front area. Clean burn zones along the side panels indicate intense radiant heat. The difference in charring between the driver's and passenger side may point to ventilation effects, accelerant use, or even suppression entry. Also examine the engine bay and the tires. Melting, sagging, or complete consumption of aluminum components may help estimate peak temperatures. Turning attention to the garage door, both inside and out, look for color change and material distortion. Bluing or rainbow effects on steel panels suggest exposure to extreme heat, often above 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Warping or bowing in the metal could indicate pressure from flashover or directional heat flow. Interior signs like bubbling paint, ash patterns, or char depth can help indicate how long the fire burned in place before suppression. Every detail here contributes to origin and cause analysis. Burn indicators should always be tied back to fire behavior, ventilation, fuel load, and heat release rate. Careful documentation and analysis of these patterns helps validate the final hypothesis and supports courtroom testimony.